Hi, I'm Lohita Damsiti. In this video, I will show you an offline customer support chatbot I built for a fictional store called Chatbot. It runs completely on my laptop using Ollama and the Llama 3.2 model, so no cloud APIs and better data privacy. The chatbot answers typical e-commerce questions like tracking orders, returns, payments, and account issues. My Python script sends each query to a local Llama 3.2 model through the Ollama API and logs the responses into a markdown file for evaluation. The architecture is simple. Chatbot.py builds a prompts and it calls the URL with model Llama 3.2 3B. Ollama runs the model locally and the response is written to results.md file. I use two prompt templates. Zero Shot just sets the role, a friendly support agent for Chickbot, and One Shot uses the same role but it includes one example question and answer about return policy. So the model copies that style. In chatbot.py, I define the Ollama endpoint and model name a query Ollama function that sends a JSON to API generate and list of 20 e-commerce queries. For each query, I send a zero shot and a one shot prompt and append both responses to a markdown table in results.md file. Here it's running. I activate my virtual environment and run python chatbot.py. The script process all 20 queries.
Here, where each row has the query, the prompting method, the response, and three manual scores relevance, coherence, and helpfulness. In my scores, one shot prompting usually gives slightly more helpful and consistent answers than zero shot because the example sets the tone and structure. So that's my offline customer support chatbot using Ollama and Llama 3.2. It's a practical way to test local LLMs for support use cases without sending data to the cloud. Thank you for watching.